Well, I fell in love with Stout the minute I started researching Stout. For me, it's the appeal is largely in the combination of applied, career-focused programs, but with a strong investment in the liberal arts. And that is what, for me, makes Stout stand out as a comprehensive polytechnic. And it speaks to me as an English major in terms of how we talk about the liberal arts, and we talk about this relationship between the liberal arts and applied learning. And so I saw that in action at Stout, and that combined with everything else I read, and I read a lot. I read news articles, I read social media, I read everything I could get my hands on. I talked to people. It was a good fit. It made sense. I connected with the institution immediately, and then I fell in love with Stout as the process progressed. So it's been a very organic process for me, and it feels like a very good fit. Well, I'm here at Stout today in December. I want to make the transition not only smooth for me, but for the people surrounding me and for the institution. So the more time I can spend in conversation with my colleagues, getting to know people, getting to know the campus, listening, identifying some key points of entry. Because I start in March. We're in a year. We're almost through an academic year, and so there's work to be done. And I want to help make sure that this is a productive and not a disruptive process for the campus. So I'm here now. I expect I'll come back again before March 1st. I'm having lots of conversations with people, and I'm doing a lot of reading, listening, and thinking right now. And I expect that will continue into the first few weeks and months of my tenure. Well, it's an honor. Let me just state that it's an honor to be Chancellor. It's an honor to serve as the first woman Chancellor at Stout. I hope I'm a role model for other women, and I hope that that what we're doing is redefining expectations in terms of leadership going forward for the institution. I hope this inspires more female students to come to Stout. This is an opportunity for us to continue to think about how you diversify your student ranks, and women is a category to think about as we're thinking about that work. But I truly want to be the best leader I can possibly be. And while it's an honor to be the first female Chancellor at Stout, it's also something that I hope we can just think about what is it that Stout values in a leader? How can I be the best leader possible for this institution? How, in the type of leader that I am, can I help move this institution forward into its next stage of development? That's what I'm focused on. Yes, it's an honor. Yes, I want to be an inspiration for other women, but I want to be an inspirational leader, period. And I want to do what's right by the institution, and that's my focus.